the Iiyama G Master Blackhawk 27-inch Full HD monitor. This 27-inch monitor is a must for gamers. The widescreen display runs a full 1080p at 75Hz with a 1 millisecond response time, which will eliminate any ghosting or blur and delivers the smoothest play. It's compatible with AMD FreeSync to stop stuttering or image shearing in game. It also has a black tuner that allows you to balance the color and contrasts for greater performance with games that have a lot of shadowy areas. You can also use the set gaming modes that come with the monitor or set up and memorize your own custom presets. It boasts a contrast up to 12 million to 1 ACR, a blue light reducer, VGA, HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, a built-in pair of 2-watt speakers, a Kingston lock anti-theft device, and all this with a nice matte finish screen so that you're not bothered by reflections.